So looking at what you've sent over here, this link right here is internal to a course, and you have it within your Instructure files, which is a little different than linking to external files like I was doing in this old demo here. But let me show you how I do that within a course. Your iframe code looks good. So I've gone in here and let's go to files first here. I've uploaded a test projects here. This AccuPlacer testing, this is a storyline output, has all your metadata, your mobile files, your content, and then our story.html. The first thing you want to make sure is that you haven't restricted access in some way. We want to leave these published. Unpublished restricted may cause problems with that. So let me show you how I create the link in a pages area. So I'm going to go to view all pages and I'm going to create a page. And this is going to be a storyline hosted in Canvas and how we embed that. So I do this a very easy way. I go to my files area. I would go into the folder that has my storyline content, and I'm going to add that link there. The reason I do that is because then I don't have to go digging around for the link. So then I go to my HTML editor, and I'm going to create my iframe. Iframe source equal quote. We have this link for this story here. With the end quote already, so I'm just going to copy that and paste it in here. So we've got quote, oops, forgot my H in the beginning. Make sure you've got all the code right. And again, we set the height, or excuse me, we do width first, width equal. I do 100% all the time instead of an actual number. It allows it to be more dynamic. And then I do the height equal, you had 600, we can do 600, whatever. And then we close with the iframe. So this code now, when we go to the rich content editor, you'll notice by default it's going to give you this weird little box. And I want to show you how to get rid of that. So go back to HTML. Where it says wrap equal 1, make sure you type in preview. And then go ahead, go back to rich content editor, and it will actually load the preview version of it in the iframe. So let me go ahead and save. Take it a minute to load, apparently. There it is. And then it's going to load this storyline in here. Now, one of the things you might run into is there was some blocking in Firefox and Chrome that wouldn't allow things to autoplay or load. Make sure that and that's with HTML5, not just with Flash that's being deprecated, but with HTML5 as well. So make sure you do update storyline. I believe there's a couple pieces on the blog posts about the HTML5 issues, but there you go. So what's nice again is you can shrink this down. The 100% allows it to be scalable down to what would be like a mobile size, but then it allows it to scale up, and then you can set the height however you want. So hopefully this helps.